Curious about hairstyles that radiate independence and runway allure? Let's explore cuts that transform your look with flair and confidence. The Pixie Cut offers both strength and a fairy-like touch, perfect for showcasing your features. With long and sleek hair, every detail counts, creating a runway-ready shine. Long bangs with layers bring life and relaxed volume to your hair. Braids and beach waves offer the ultimate carefree summer style. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.